So me and Sienna got to share a pho, beef rib pho. And this is something new. It's like a crunchy vermicelli noodle with fish and land, pretty much. My son's got his usual rice. Oh my god. And then we got this to make our own little spring rolls. Fire. This is the soup that I gave some to the baby.
Tell them that surprisingly I'm eating vegetables.
No, I got this. Thank you.
Can I
You're
try?
dipping in your foot or that sauce in there.
The sauce.
Yep.
This is a spring roll from the
Mom, can I try one of those
Half platter.
that I couldn't choose my ingredients?
like a video.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on, give me a second.
How's the noodles?
So
They're good.
Look at, I bought some rice. I bought some of these. What are these?
Want one of
Are
these?
these noodles? I'll try
Want
one.
one of these? Yeah. With fish or?
It's bomb, babe.
Yeah, this one.
Dad,
It's got that
could you-
fish in there.
Okay guys, so today I am eating some rice with milkshake. With boba, as you could see it, and a fork. And I recently just tried two things. One shot.
I'm gonna check it, okay?
Okay. Yes, I'll eat the rice. What I'm eating. Don't hand my hair. I'm eating some pho. My dad just made me a spring roll. Here, let me put this down.
I really would like for you to try this.
And then this is something else me and my mom decided to share, and it's actually really good. I'm surprisingly eating a lot of the vegetables.
It's like crunchy noodles, and when you put it in the sauce,
It turns cooked.